Tracking results in a clear and structured way can make all the difference in achieving your goals. In this video, we'll show you how to use Businessmap to create OKRs, that's objectives and key results, and how to monitor their progress easily and effectively. Let's start with a quick breakdown of what OKRs are. An objective is a clearly defined goal, something you want to achieve. Key results are measurable outcomes that indicate whether you're on track to meet that objective. For example, if your objective is dominate the North American market, your key results might be increase revenue, reduce churn rate, decrease operational cost. Each key result should be quantifiable so you can measure progress objectively. Now let's look inside an objective. Here, you'll see the objective at the top and all its related key results listed below. Each of them tracks a numeric value that reflects your progress. It's a good practice to give every objective a deadline. That's because the system generates a projection based on your deadline or planned end date about how likely you are to reach your goal on time. Also keep in mind, your key results can be your KPIs, the metrics you already track. Let's take a look at the status indicators next to each key result. The colors mean red, at risk, brown, off track, green, on track. To update a key result, just click on its current value and enter the new number. As soon as you do, the progress bar and percentage will automatically recalculate. From the menu, you can access the outcome settings. Here, you can edit your outcomes, see all values, and see who made changes and when to the outcome. This transparency ensures clear tracking and accountability. Now, let's click on a key results progress percentage to open the trend line. This view shows how that metric is progressing over time. The blue line is the baseline, a linear path to your target. The dark line shows the actual results entered so far. The orange line is a projection based on your current pace. It projects what you're likely to achieve by the deadline. This is a powerful way to visually compare plans to reality. If your goal spans many months, you can create checkpoints, intermediate targets that break your key result into smaller, more manageable steps. This helps you stay on track with long-term objectives. Let's now walk you through the process of creating a new key result from scratch. Each key result in Businessmap is tied to a custom field, which tracks a numerical value like cost, revenue, number of clients, etc. It's important to know that you can choose between manual key results, where values are updated manually, or automatic key results, where values are pulled from Businessmap or external systems using outcome rules. Outcome rules let you automate data collection for KPIs, perfect for high-scale teams. However, this is a more advanced feature, so we recommend booking a demo with one of our product experts if you'd like help setting that up. Let's select a custom field, for example, overhead cost. If the field already exists, choose it from the list. If not, click Create a new custom field to create it from scratch and add it to the board. We'll define a starting value of $200,000 and a target of $150,000. Let's define a current value of $190,000. You can also set a prefix like USD as well as a suffix to specify that we're working with thousands. All of that can be set within the custom field of a key result. In this case, we will indicate that we want to track decreasing values as we're looking to reduce costs. Once done, click Save. You'll now see the key result listed and tracked. From here, we can update it over time, track the trend, and even set checkpoints. And that's it! You now know how to create and track objectives and key results in Businessmap. Try it out in your own workspace and see how it's helping your team move forward.